Hello, welcome to Chi Trader. Below is a detailed introduction to Chi spread order. Chi Trader supports the creation and trading of time spreads, intercommodity spreads, and intermarket spreads. Users can select contract types, contract quantities, buy, sell directions, and spread formulas according to their own needs. Now click here to create a new custom spread, where you can add 2 or more legs of contracts. Let's demonstrate a two-legged spread. First, choose contract. Then choose the order quantity. The buy, sell direction can be freely selected, but in practice, they are usually opposite. Here we select buy for crude palm oil and sell for micro WTI crude oil. Then, the name and the last trading date of the spread order will be automatically generated. The number of decimals will be automatically calculated and we can also manually adjust them. The tick determines the interval at which the price of the spread order fluctuates up or down. The spread formula supports the 4 basic arithmetic operations. A represents contract A and B represents contract B. The latest price of the spread order is calculated based on the latest prices of the leg contracts according to the spread formulas. Check Add to Watching List, and the custom spreads will be displayed in Watching List. If not checked, the custom spreads can only be seen in Spread Instrument Pool. Click on Widgets. Market. Spread Instrument Pool. You can see all custom spreads created by the user, as well as the formulas of the custom spreads. Additionally, you can see all custom spreads through widgets. Market. Spread Instrument Watching List. If you didn't click Add to Watching List, you can click here, select Custom Spread Contracts, and you will see all custom spreads you have created. Choose the contract, then click Confirm, and the selected contract will be displayed in Watching List. In Watching List, we place an order for the spread we just created. Clicking this button will expand or collapse the selected spread contract. Click on the name of the spread contract, right-click the mouse, and select Place Order, Buy. The name field above doesn't need to be filled out. If a name is entered, it will be visible in spread orders, which helps to distinguish different orders. The price can be chosen as Bid 1, Ask 1, Middle, Custom, etc. The chasing strategy can be selected as None, Timeout, or Tick. When selecting Timeout, if there is an unexecuted order hanging, it will be cancelled after the agreed time and a new order will be placed at the original price plus the set number of ticks. The number of chasing attempts can be set. When the attempts are exhausted, no further automatic chasing will occur. If the number of chasing attempts is set to 0, the system will continue to chase indefinitely. When selecting Tick, if there is an unexecuted order hanging, and the counterparty price of this order changes by more than the set number of ticks, the original order will be cancelled, and a new order will be placed at the price set by the pricing strategy. The rules for the number of chasing attempts are the same as previously explained. Note that you can set the order chasing strategies for each leg separately, or you can set the chasing strategies for both legs simultaneously by clicking on Unified Setting of Order Chasing Strategies. Leg mode defaults to Same Time Order. When the market price matches the order price, the leg orders will be sent and all leg orders will be sent at the same time. If you choose Main Passive Order, the leg with higher priority will be ordered first. And the leg with lower priority will be ordered after the higher priority leg has been ordered. If QIT type is set to manually, you can create the spread order in advance and then click Start when you confirm it's ready to run. If QIT type is set to immediately, the order will run right away. Here, we choose Same Time Order and Manually modes. Click Buy, the order is successfully placed. After placing the order, the system will automatically monitor the market depth. When the spread in the market depth matches the set price, the order will be placed on both legs simultaneously. Next, you can see the spread order just placed in orders. Double-click on the contract to see the spread in spread orders. The table above includes the average price, the progress of execution, and the status for the spread order. Click Start to begin executing our QIT spread order. You can also choose to pause or cancel the order. When the order is submitted and running, it can be paused. Pausing does not affect the currently running group, but it won't execute the next group of orders. When the order is submitted, running, or paused, you can cancel it. Once cancelled, it cannot be restarted. Right-click on the contract in the table above. If the order is not completed, you can choose to amend it. Custom spreads support modifications such as quantity, price, and order chasing strategies. The modified parameters will take effect when executing the next group. Custom spreads also support append orders. During the running and paused statuses, you can right-click on the contract to add one spread order. Custom spreads also support resend orders. When the parameters of the new order are the same as those of the previous order, you can quickly place the order by clicking on Resend Order. The table below shows the average, prices, progress, and status for each leg. Please note that if a row is displayed in sky blue, it indicates that one leg has not been fully executed, resulting in a limping situation. However, the above operations can only display information for a single set of custom spread. If you want to view detailed information for all custom spreads, the following operation interface is more integrated and is more suitable for users who focus on custom spreads. Click on Widgets. Layout. Auto Spread. Spread Instrument Watching List displays the details for all the custom spreads we are following. Light up the star in Spread Instrument Pool. You can add the contracts to Spread Instrument Watching List. In Spread Orders, you can right-click on an uncompleted contract to amend, append, or resend the spread order. Click on any order. You can see the detailed information of each leg under that order. That's all for the introduction of QIT spread order. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you experiencing our product. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.